Adapting PMP for AI and automation in project management. As AI and automation change industries, we must adapt the PMP framework to stay relevant. It stands for Project Management Professional. AI tools improve decision-making, streamline projects, and reduce errors. AI and automation can improve project management. They can streamline processes, cut manual work, and boost efficiency. Automation now saves time and resources on tasks. Project managers can focus on strategic decisions and problem solving. Better decisions. AI can analyze vast data in real time. It gives project managers insights to make quick, informed decisions. Automation tools can help spot risks and opportunities. This allows for proactive management and mitigation. Adaptability to digital transformation. As businesses adopt digital tools, project management must evolve to align with new tech and trends. Integrating AI and automation into PMP practices will help organizations. Future-proofing project management. As AI and automation advance, project managers must adapt. They need to incorporate these technologies into their workflows. By embracing innovation, project managers can future-proof their work. Strategies for integrating AI and automation in PMP. Training and certification. Project managers should pursue training and certifications. They should focus on AI and automation in project management. Platforms like the Project Management Institute, PMI, offer courses and certifications. They help professionals improve their skills in these areas. Use of project management tools. AI-powered tools can streamline processes. They improve collaboration and project efficiency. Tools like Asana, Trello, and Microsoft Project use AI and automation. They simplify project tasks and decision-making. Conclusion. In conclusion, adapting PMP for AI and automation is essential to stay competitive in today's digital world.